How to report unauthorized transaction in Zelle. First of all, open your browser and go to the official Zelle website at zellpay.com. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and tap on Contact Us. This will take you to Zelle's customer support section. Here you will find options for frequently asked questions, troubleshooting guides, and direct ways to report issues. To report an unauthorized transaction, look for the phone number provided under support. Call the number and clearly explain the situation, including details like the date, time, and amount of the transaction. You can also tap the Report a Scam button on the support page if you suspect fraudulent activity. Follow the instructions provided to submit the report securely. You may be asked to verify your identity using your email, phone number, or linked bank account information. Follow all instructions carefully to ensure your report is logged correctly. Finally, monitor your linked bank account and Zelle notification for any updates and avoid sharing sensitive information through unofficial channels to keep your account secure. Now you know how to report unauthorized transaction or a scam in Zelle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.